Welcome to Factful Finance. If you've been following this series on how to make money with AI, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting ways you can use artificial intelligence to boost your freelancing career. But first, did you know that the gig economy has exploded in recent years? According to a 2023 report by the Freelancers Union, over 36% of the US workforce is freelancing today. And what's even more mind-blowing, AI tools are not just for techies anymore. They're opening doors to untapped opportunities for freelancers across all industries. Now, imagine a world where AI does some of the heavy lifting for you, whether it's generating content, automating tasks, or analyzing data to help you scale your business. But how exactly can you leverage AI as a freelancer? Let's break it down. We'll look at real-world examples, explore the best AI tools you can start using right now, and give you strategies to increase your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to incorporate AI into your freelance work and watch your income grow. Let's start with the big picture. How can AI create new opportunities for freelancers? AI can help you in three main ways: efficiency, scalability, and creativity. Let's explore each one. First, efficiency. You've probably heard of tools like Grammarly and Jasper that help with writing tasks. But did you know AI can automate much more? For example, chatbots like ChatGPT can handle client inquiries, freeing up hours of your time. Amelia, a freelance marketing consultant, started using AI to manage her email communications. Within 3 months, she cut her admin time by 40%, meaning more billable hours and less time in front of a screen. Second, scalability. Many freelancers struggle with balancing workload and quality, especially when demand surges. But with AI, you can scale your offerings. Take video editing. AI-powered tools like Descript help you cut down editing time drastically, allowing you to take on more projects without sacrificing quality. Liam, a freelance video editor, used Descript to edit 5 videos in a single day, something that used to take him 2 days. More content, faster delivery, and increased earnings. And third, creativity. AI isn't just about automating mundane tasks, it's about enhancing what you do best. You can use AI to generate ideas, create prototypes, or even provide clients with a range of creative options quickly. Noah, a freelance graphic designer, uses Midjourney to experiment with designs for his clients, cutting down his brainstorming time by half while offering cutting-edge visuals. So here's the million-dollar question. What AI tools can you actually start using today to enhance your freelance work? Let's break it down with the top 5 AI tools that can make a real difference in your workflow. 1. Copy.ai. This tool helps you generate marketing copy, blog posts, and even email sequences in a fraction of the time. If you're a writer or digital marketer, this tool is a game changer. 2. Trello with Butler. For project management, Butler, Trello's AI-powered assistant, automates repetitive tasks like sorting and prioritizing to-dos. This means less time on admin and more time on client work. 3. Descript. If you're in audio or video production, Descript's AI-driven editing is a must-have. Transcribe audio, edit video, and even generate new audio clips, all in one tool. 4. Grammarly. Don't just rely on basic spell check. Grammarly's AI checks your tone, grammar, and style, ensuring your content stands out professionally. Perfect for writers, bloggers, and copywriters. 5. Lumen 5. If you're a content creator or social media manager, Lumen 5 allows you to transform blogs into social videos with AI. You just input a script, and the tool does the rest. Now here's how to maximize these tools. Diversify your services. Don't just stick to one area. Offer a wider range of services by using AI tools to enhance different aspects of your work. If you're a writer, use Copy.ai to create outlines and Grammarly to polish your content. If you're a designer, leverage AI tools like Midjourney and Canva to create visuals faster and better than ever. Charge for the value you provide. Use AI to produce higher quality work faster. This doesn't mean undercharging. In fact, as you become more efficient, you'll be able to justify higher rates for your time and skills. Offer AI-powered consulting. If you're an expert in a particular field, consider offering consulting services on how others can use AI to boost their businesses. Amelia, a freelance productivity coach, saw a surge in demand when she started helping clients integrate AI into their workflow. But there's one thing you need to know. AI is not a magic bullet. It's not about letting the machine do everything. It's about using AI as a tool to amplify your strengths and free up your time. But always remember, AI is only as good as the data it's fed and the guidance it's given. The creativity, strategy, and problem-solving skills you bring to the table are irreplaceable. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to navigate the potential pitfalls of using AI in your freelance career. One thing you need to be aware of is the ethical implications. When using AI to generate content or designs, make sure you're transparent with your clients. AI should enhance your work, not replace it entirely. For instance, while AI can help generate ideas for social media posts, you should still provide the personal touch that makes your services unique. Another pitfall to avoid is over-reliance. Yes, AI can automate a lot of tasks, but you still need to nurture client relationships, understand market trends, and adapt your strategies. As much as AI offers incredible potential, it's crucial to stay connected to the human side of your work. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing your take on AI's role in freelancing. Want to take your freelance career to the next level? Hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on the next finance breakthrough. If you found this helpful, you'll absolutely want to check out what's coming next. Trust me, it's going to be even better. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you're ready to explore AI in your freelancing career, this video is just the start. Check out the one on screen for more tips on optimizing your freelance business with cutting-edge tools.